Welcome to your weekly US news update. We have three stories for you this week. The first one is Phase 1 is releasing a 128 megapixel survey camera. It's huge. Aloft is expanding to AAM. And then lastly, our Black Friday sale is live. First up this week is a big one for those that do surveying or mapping. Phase 1 has released a P5 Survey Payload that comes in around 700 grams, which is about a little over a pound. P5 has an electronic global shutter capable of capturing 4 frames per second at 128 megapixel. 4 frames per second, 120 megapixel. That's huge. The P5 also comes with a 1 gig Ethernet connection, a 14-pin JST-ZE connector, and then a MAVLink Auterion connection. And there's two different lens options that are available, 35mm and an 80mm. With the 35mm lens, the ground sampling distance at 394 feet, which is 120 meters, is 1.16 centimeters or 0.45 inches. Using the same information and working backwards through the GSD calculator, we estimate that the 80mm lens from 120 meters is a ground sampling distance of 0.51 centimeters. There's no pricing at the moment. I'm sure it's not cheap, but it is a pretty awesome new camera for those that are in the surveying field. Next up this week is Aloft, who is combining the low altitude monitoring of UAS with the AAM traffic. AAM is advanced air mobility, those larger drones or that are going to be carrying people. The project, called the North Texas Airspace Awareness Project, hopes to basically create a dashboard of low altitude, low aircraft operation, specifically around UAS and AAM. Now, the dashboard will allow local municipalities to publish and disseminate localized safety advisories for certain type of users, such as governmental users, commercial, and recreational. Now, I want to be clear, they are not restricting the airspace, they're just providing information about the airspace. Now, in addition, this will allow for a direct connection between the operator of both AAM and UAS and the local government to share information, including local rules, which are sometimes pretty confusing. Now, if you're not familiar with Aloft, they are the largest UAS service supplier of Lance and then the current maintainer of the FAA's Before You Fly. Aloft provides 80% of all US airspace authorization in the US at the moment. We'll keep you updated when we see more. This is a pretty cool project. All right, last up this week is our Black Friday sale, which is now live on our website. All of our catalog of courses is currently available for up to 50% off. That's right. Our Part 107 is currently $107. The mapping bundle is $199 instead of the $299 usually. And then our real estate course is $49. That's only 3 of a few of the courses that we have available on our platform. This is the largest sale that we do every year. This is the only time that you'll find these courses at this price. And I know it sounds weird, but it is true. We only do the sale like this once a year. And then all the courses are on sale for the next few weeks. We also just released a new course on how to apply for waivers. I'm actually really excited about this one. It's also on sale for Black Friday. The course includes a lot of information on the actual process, the supporting documents that you need, what the FAA wants to know before you submit your waiver, where to submit it, and then also what to do after you get your waiver. This is actually, I think, one of the best courses that we've produced, just because of the amount of information that you can find in here. And it's a process that's always extremely confusing. So we've tried to break it down into as many different simple processes as possible. We give you a lot of homework to do and break it down for you. So I think this is going to help a lot of people getting their waivers done. So make sure you head over to pilotinstitute.com for more information, and then you'll see all the courses over there, including our airplane courses as well, where we're running a really cool promo. That's it. That's all we have. We'll see you on Monday for the live event, and you have a great weekend in the meantime.
Try to say our airplane promo without looking at the words.
Oh, the airplane promo without looking at the word?
Pilot Institute's BOGO YOLO No FOMO POCO LOCO promo?
The what?
The BOGO YOLO No POCO. The BOGO YOLO No.
The BOGO YOLO No FOMO POCO LOCO promo, bro.
Are you even saying words right now?
There's FOMO in there.
The BOGO YOLO No FOMO POCO promo loco, bro?
Oh yeah, right. One take.
BOGO YOLO No FOMO POCO promo loco?
Loco, no poco.
The BOGO YOLO No FOMO promo YOLO POCO.
It's the BOGO YOLO No FOMO Poco Loco promo.
Poco Loco promo?
Yeah, it's the BOGO YOLO No FOMO Poco Loco promo.
Are you guys talking about the... This is gonna make a great supercut.
And without the paper.
Yeah, it's the BOGO Loco No Promo Foco Loco promo.
Get the BOGO YOLO No FOMO Poco Loco promo now at pilotinstitute.com for a limited time while supplies last.